Hello guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to install and add extensions to your Google Chrome browser. Extensions are awesome little tools that add extra features to your browser, so let's jump right in. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. To find extensions, we need to go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by clicking the three little dots in the top right corner, going down to Extensions and clicking Visit Chrome Web Store. Now that we're in the store, you can browse around. Or, if you know what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top right. For this video, I'm going to search for Google Translate. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to open its details page. On the extensions page, look for the blue Add to Chrome button and click it. A small pop-up box will appear asking for permissions. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Just click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download it, and within a few seconds you'll see a message popping up in the top right corner letting you know it was successfully added. Here is a quick pro tip. Sometimes extensions hide right after you install them. To keep it visible for easy access, click this little puzzle piece icon in the top right. This is your extensions menu. Find the extension we just added and click the pushpin icon next to it. Now it will stay pinned right to your toolbar. And that's it.